Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Runway Act 2. In order to do so, here we are at runwayml.com and we're all logged in, and we do have a subscription. You are going to need a subscription to use Act 2. So once you come into the video generator, you're going to find at the bottom left-hand corner, you can see here where it says Act 2. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And then we have our options here. We want to add a driving performance and we want to choose our character. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add the driving performance, and we can either record ourselves in the moment or we could select an asset. We're going to go ahead and select an asset. And I've got one here that we can use. So here is our actor.
This is the sturdy bastard, and we are in pursuit of the beast. It's heading straight for the Climate Day celebration. That blasted yacht is drawing its attention.
So there's our performance. Now we're going to choose our character, and we're going to use this here. So what I did was I took the image of the actor, and then I changed the background using Nano Banana. So now we have him on his boat and he's got his phone. So that's why he's holding the camera like that. And once we're ready to go, we can go ahead and click on generate character. I want to see, because I believe I should have a copy of this already and I don't want to use the credits. So when you're ready anyways, you could just click on generate character. But we have a couple of options here to look at. We can change facial expressiveness. That defaults to 3. I haven't played around with this too much, and most of the results that I've gotten have been pretty solid just with the 3. Here we have the gestures toggle. We can click that on and off. We can use motion and gestures from the driving performance. Now, I'm not sure why you would want to use Act 2 and turn that off, because Act 2 is all about using the driving performance, but whatever, it's there. And we have our aspect ratio. We can reset. We have additional settings here. We can use a fixed seed if we want to. But let me go ahead and see if I can find the result here. So I'm not using credits. Okay, perfect. So here I have the result of combining the driving performance with the image.
This is the sturdy bastard, and we are in pursuit of the beast. It's heading straight for the Climate Day celebration. That blasted yacht is drawing its attention.
So there you go. And it's got some really nice movement in the water in the background. Really looks quite nice, I'd say. Some sound production would probably make this work a little bit better. Having the sound of the ocean in the background, that would be good. But this gives you an idea of how you can use Runway Act 2. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations and promotions. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Check us out on Discord. If you head over to Discord, we post a lot of good videos related to AI animation, AI music generation. We're starting a community there. We'd love to have you. Posting our projects, and any music that we create is here as well. If you are interested in creating a video for yourself, we have a starter package starting at $200 for a video up to 5 minutes with AI visuals and music, and we can do that for you. If you are interested in hands-on training, we can also provide that as well. Give us a shout, say hi in the Discord. And finally, if you're interested in a new online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link in the description in the link tree, you'll get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended.